Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Home Mama. Amy here, and today I am going to show you my minimal and simple natural cleaning products. So what you see right here is all I use for cleaning my whole house. I'm gonna go through each of the areas in my house that I clean and what product I'm using, where I'm getting this product from, and I will leave all the links to these products down below in the description box so that if you guys want to check them out that you can. But I switched over to natural cleaning probably, I don't know, maybe like 4 years ago or something like that. And when I did do the switch, I just went with, I didn't get a ton of stuff. Like I didn't go get all of the products that, you know, cleans your toilet or cleans your sink or just that clean mops or, you know, all the things. I didn't look into all that stuff. I just wanted basic, I wanted simple. I did not want to spend a ton of money on each of the areas of my house. And so I'm going to show you how I keep this affordable, but also still get the natural cleaning products that are so important to me for my health, my family's health, and all of that. So all right, let's dive in. Let me show you what I'm using for each area of my house. Okay, so first up is laundry, and I forgot to show in that intro that I do use the super washing soda that you see here as part of my laundry routine. So Molly Suds is the brand of laundry powder that I use, dryer sheets, and all of that. I have used this for a while now, and I really love their products. And I actually buy this off, I used to buy it off of Amazon, but I am now buying it off of Thrive Market. So either of those will work. I'm sure there's other places that you can buy it too, but that's where I buy it from. And so I will put detergent in, put a little bit of this super washing soda in just for some extra clean. And then when I am doing whites, I will use that whitening booster that you've seen there. Okay, next up is my bathroom, and this is what I use for my bathroom. Like pretty much all I use for my bathroom is dish soap. I would just put it all over my tub, in my sink, and in my toilet, clean those out. And then this is something that is not natural. To clean the toilet lid and everything like that, I will use disinfectant wipes. Like I said, not natural. I haven't even bothered to look for a natural brand of disinfectant wipe. So if you have a brand that you really love, please leave it down in the comment section, because that is something that I still want to switch over and have yet to switch over. But dish soap, super simple, and it's going to get your entire bathroom clean. It's just soap and warm water. The brand is 7th Generation, and I also get this off of Thrive Market. So next up is mopping, and once again I am using the 7th Generation dish soap and very hot water. So I use that for all of my floors. I have this kind of flooring in all of my house and then a tile, and so I use it for both of those, and it works really well. So next up is dusting, and I make my own dusting spray. It is really easy to make, and it's 1/2 cup of water, 1/8 cup of vinegar, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then I will sometimes add in some essential oils. Next are my cabinets. Once again, dish soap and hot water for this. And then moving on to dishes, and obviously this is that 7th Generation dish soap and hot water. And in a minute, you will see me doing my dishwasher detergent, and I actually use Pods, and it is also the 7th Generation brand of dishwasher pods. So last on the list are my windows, and I use this same spray on my appliances as well. And I make this myself, which you can see in this spray bottle, and it is 3/4 cup of water,
1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. Super easy to make, and it works really well.
Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, for watching this video, for letting me take you through each of these products that I use. Like I said, this is simple, minimal, all natural cleaning products. And I love the products that I'm using. There were a few that I showed you that are not natural right now that I will be switching over to. But for what I have, it's affordable. It's very basic and simple, which you do not need a lot to be cleaning your house and also keeping the products natural. You don't need to be spending a lot of money or getting a lot of products. This is all I use, and I keep a very clean house. So anyways, if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know, what are your favorite cleaning products? Let me know what products I could look into for the ones that I'm using that are not natural, like those disinfectant wipes. And I will see you guys back here soon. Bye.